Let's begin with the butter.
Absolutely.
You start the day with a block of it, pure and untouched. It'll feel the heat for the first time. Its hard corners will become soft, golden curves. Soon it will lose shape completely.
It'll melt into a lake of yellow pleasure.
You're a quick study. I think you can fit in very well here.
I wonder how we would fit together.
I can think of one way we can find out.
Can I taste it?
Absolutely. Want some popcorn with that? Yeah, maybe some popcorn. How about a popcorn combo? Yeah, maybe you could get a nice drink with that. Yeah, maybe some... Peter! Nigel, the manager.
Were you pouring melted butter into the mouth of our new employee?
Yeah.
You're supposed to be training Joey, not hitting on her. You're way out of line, Peter.
I wasn't thinking. I was just acting in the moment, and I made a mistake.
You can go and sweep the front lobby. And I can handle Joey myself.
I'm sorry.
You're still here, Peter. The single most important thing at the snack bar is opening the popcorn bag.
Yes.
You gotta put the popcorn inside the bag,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
So you hold it up in the air like this.
Yeah.
And you snap it out like that. Close.
That was
you
really
gotta,
close.
You
I
gotta
think I
put
felt
some more wrist into it.
Okay.
You know, think of
Yeah.
your wrists. Think of it as loose in the wind. You know, it's just snapping in the wind. Yeah, that's right.
Ooh. Ah. Okay. Snap it like you snap the popcorn bag. Uh-huh.
Nigel!